Hi, we are doing logarithm. If x is log 0.6, y is log 1.25 and z is log 3 minus 2 log 2, we have to find x plus y minus z. We'll substitute the values. That means instead of x, we will write log 0.6, y is log 1.25 and z is log 3 minus log 2 log 2. So there are two values. We will put it inside the bracket because there is a minus sign outside. Please remember this. Whenever there are two values, put it in the bracket and then open the bracket in the next step. Now we will use the law of log, that is a log n can be written as log n raised to the power a. A, which is in front of log, will shift to the power of the log. So this log 0.6 can be written as it is, log 1.25 as it is. Now log 3 and this will become log 2 square. Fine. Now log 0.6 plus log 1.25, open the bracket, become minus log 3 and minus plus log 2 raised to the power 2 becomes 4. Now we will again use the law of the log, that is log a plus log b is log a into b, and log a minus log b is log a by b, right? So now get all the plus wala together. So this will turn out to be log 0.6 into 1.25 into 4, and it is minus log 3. So 3 will come at the bottom. Now remove the decimal, 10 down, remove the decimal, 100 down. So this will go by 2, right? 125. This will go 25. This will become 20. This will become 4. This will become 5. And this will become 2. 2 cancel. So what you are left with? You are left with log 4 by 4. Fine. Log 4 upar and log 4 niche. 4 by 4 becomes 1. That means log of 1 to the base 10 is 0. Now how do we get log 1 to the base 10 0? I'll explain you that also. Log 1 to the base 10, let it be y. Okay, so we know how to change the log form to exponential form. This both get exchanged. 10 will remain the base will remain the base. 10 raised to the power is equal to 1. And with exponent, we know that 1 ka value is any number raised to the power 0 is 1. It can be any number raised to the power 0 is always 1. So here we have 10. So what we can write? 1 as 10 raised to the power 0 to make the base same. So the bases became same, 10 10. So y has turned out to be 0. This is why log of any number to the base 10 is any number, I mean to say log of 1 to the base 10 is 0. Log of 1 to any base, not any number. Log of 1 to any base is 0. So this is log 1, which turns out to be 0. Therefore x plus y minus z is 0. Now second, what we have to find? It is related to the first one. 5 raised to the power x plus y minus z. So what is x plus y minus z? 0. So this becomes 5 raised to the power 0. And any number raised to the power 0 is always 1 in exponent law. We have learned this. So this is how we do this sum.